Good morning, everyone. I am Marwa. I am from Global Cendekia Health Vocational School. Online learning allows you to set your own study schedule. You can study anytime, anywhere. For those who are busy with some business and many other activities, here are some of the good impacts of learning online. You can access to wider with online learning. You, you can access to wider learning resources with online learning. You are not only use notebooks. There are thousands of courses, videos, and podcasts and articles from various institutions and experts around the world that you can access. This opens up opportunities to learn new things outside of the formal curriculum. Online learning makes you be independent. It can dare yourself to learn without constant supervision from teacher, and students have the independence to engage in beneficial activities like reading, practicing, reviewing materials, and much more. Also, students can repeat material anytime. Students can also adjust the learning speed according to current abilities. Students are free to do assignments comfortably and in their own way. Open access to all materials and class discussion, of course, helps students that needs to be repeated, and reflection of materials before next to other topic. Learning offline makes you overwhelmed by carrying a lot of material books, but learning online allows teacher to store all materials in learning platform folder. And in addition to encourage independent learning also requires children to operate electronic media such as phones, laptops, or computer. There's need to take notes. The biggest advantage of online learning is that material can be saved on your device and replay as needed. This is because online learning materials need to be downloaded. Once it's got downloaded, students can save and freely access them whenever they need. And for the teachers, are more creative in designing learning models by utilizing online application features and can motivate students through difficult times. With this increasingly advanced era, we must utilize and provide new ways in the teaching and learning process, making it more flexible, efficient, and in line with current developments. Online learning offers many advantages, including flexibility, cost saving, and adaptability. Studying online can save us money because we don't need to buy anything outside because there is already food at home. This online method is now very popular in the world of education because since the COVID-19 pandemic hit the world, face-to-face teaching and learning activities have been severely restricted. Online learning can also facilitate the teaching and learning process. Here are the various benefits. First, more flexible study time. A positive aspect of learning is that study time is much more flexible. Compared to face-to-face learning, study time in online learning can be done at any time as there are usually designed study times. The second is there's no need to take notes on study material. The biggest advantage of online learning is that learning materials can be saved to your device storage. And the third is the learning process can be easily accessed. Another advantage is that the learning process can be easily accessed using a smartphone, computer, or laptop connected to the internet. Besides the benefits, students can also receive positive effects from online class learning. Students can learn from anywhere and anytime. Students can also build high quality discussion, and the less students can build their own learning. This house supports a permanent move to online tertiary education. And today I will give agreement opinion about this house supports a permanent move to online tertiary education. This sentence means that those who support this statement believe that higher education should permanently to an online platform, so the student can learn online without having to be physically present on campus. For the tips, example is lower cost. Online education can reduce the cost of higher education by reducing the need for physical infrastructure, and I also strongly support the implementation of online learning because it can increase the efficiency and reach of education. Despite some challenges, I believe that online learning is an effective solution for the future education. It is important to note that online learning also has some challenges, such as the need for savvy internet access and true ability to adapt to a new learning environment. However, with true preparation and the right support, online learning can be positive and effective learning experience.